reality is that unless we're doing visuals to really show what a toilet might look like, there's absolutely no point in having it there with all the detail. So making sure that we specify the correct geometric data, correct level of geometric data, and the correct level of information that we are defining, the attributes that we're defining that we need at each stage, is a really key requirement, and is now taken up in that new digital planner works. And our recommendation, certainly from all the work we've been doing, is that to make sure that the information is appropriate. There shouldn't be any more information that's being produced than was being produced before. It might be being produced in a slightly different format, in a slightly different way, but fundamentally it should be the same amount. And what we do also recommend is that generic placeholders are put in place to support future tasks. It's a little bit like Ian was describing with a column. You wouldn't miss a column out of a model because it's all part of the intricate structure, but sometimes putting fire extinguishers and even toasters, as we had the example in Crome Court, allows people to cost them. And if you're doing it as a placeholder, they're very quick and very easy to go and put in place. So, on to Crome Court. Crome Court is a relatively straightforward project. It's a 232 suite student residence accommodation for the University of East Anglia, spread over 7 floors. What's interesting about it is it's been done in cross-laminated timber construction, which has the peculiarity that you really need to worry about services coordination, both in the vertical and the horizontal. And that's something